An electric smoker is one of the most convenient and easy to use types of smokers available. If you prefer to set it and forget it, an electric smoker is the way to go. Their convenience and low price make them ideal for newbie smokers, and even many veteran smokers are starting to make the switch from traditional charcoal smokers to electric models. There are many products available to choose electric smokers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best electric smokers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. These 4 minutes will help you to choose the best products, so without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Charbroil Digital Electric Smoker. If you want rich, smoky flavor without the hassle, the Charbroil 725 Deluxe Digital Electric Smoker delivers that. And a whole lot more. This smoker includes 725 square inches of cooking space, 4 adjustable racks, and nearly limitless freedom to mix and match your food. The Charbroil Deluxe Digital Smoker takes the guesswork completely out of the process. Set your remote-controlled digital thermostat and timer, fit your meat probe included, and walk away without having to monitor your temperature, range, or fuel. This smoker holds up to 7 hours of fuel at one time. This digital electric smoker is manufactured from stainless steel and utilizes insulated double-wall construction, which means it looks sleek and retains heat. On the front end, you'll find a full-size glass door window. So while you don't have to monitor your food, you do have the freedom to stand back and admire your work. Extras include an easy-to-read LED display, a porcelain-coated drip tray, a remote for increased accessibility, a stainless steel locking latch to optimize a smoke-tight seal, wheels, and an integrated handle for increased mobility. The Charbroil Deluxe weighs only 52 pounds, so you'll have no trouble rolling it around the patio or carting it back and forth between home and the game. Number 2. Masterbuilt Digital Electric Smoker. If you're ready to give a final farewell to propane and charcoal and don't want to compromise on flavor or convenience, check out the Masterbuilt MES 130B Digital Electric Smoker. The electric smoker Masterbuilt MES 130B Digital Electric Smoker is a vertical cooker designed to accommodate 4 layers of cooking. It has enough space to accommodate 2 turkeys, 4 pork rumps, 4 racks of ribs, and 6 chickens at once. At only 30 tall and weighing only 45 pounds, this model has a low profile that's sleek and unassuming, much like a mini fridge. Yet this electric smoker packs a lot of punch. With the flick of a button, you can reach up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. This unit is the dictionary definition of set it and forget it cooking. To use this cooker, drop your wood chips into the side loader, flip on the power, set the digital thermostat, set the timer, and drop your food. Additional features include 4 chrome-coated cooking racks, a water container and drip tray, and a separate wood chip tray that you can access without opening the door or moving your racks. This convenience ensures that you retain heat and never have to disturb your food during a cooking session. Number 3. Cuisinart COS 330 Smoker. The Cuisinart COS 330 electric smoker allows you to master the smoking experience quickly and effortlessly. Just plug it in, fill the water pane, choose your favorite wood chips, set the temperature, and drop your food. This electric smoker does everything else for you. This unit is 37 tall and weighs just under 60 pounds, so is small enough for compact spaces yet surprisingly powerful. The Cuisinart COS 330 electric smoker comes with a 1500 watt heating element, so it's able to soar up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit effortlessly. The Cuisinart electric smoker offers you total control over the heat. Plug it in, set the temperature, and relax with your friends. A dial-style thermostat and a 1500 watt heating element will quickly generate temperatures from 100 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and a large easy-to-read thermometer on the front door will help you monitor internal temperatures at a glance. Just set it and forget it. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.